Hi, good morning. My name is Angelo Jeronimo, licensed real estate broker. So we're here at M Residences dito sa Katipunan Extension. Welcome. For more information, message nyo lang ako. Nandito lang ang aking details. No? So, papakilala ko sa inyo si Kiara. Matagal ko na siyang tinago sa inyo. No? Pwede tayong mag-set ng appointment one day ahead. No? Kasi medyo hot cake po itong lugar natin. Ang nakakatuwa, masasaksihan nyo ngayon, itong Kiara, idadaanan natin yung bawat corner. So, makikita nyo, ito yung 4th floors na. Kasi ang default natin is 2 floors only. Alright? Kasama po natin ang broker's manager. Itutour natin ito, kasama siya. Maraming salamat.
Hi sir, good morning.
Good morning,
Welcome to Kiara. This is our model units here at Katipunan. This is one of the example ng model units namin, which is this is already sold. This is the main entrance, but we just want to show you the perspective of our turned over units. And sir, this is the exact perspective ng mga pre-selling pa natin na unit, but this one is already sold out. Parang gusto lang namin ipakita sa inyo yung exact layout nung pwede namin i-turn over for the future development pa. So as you can see, even the materials that we using here is above standard.
That's
so
wonderful.
even the finishes, personal pick ni Sir Vic. So kumbaga, even the details, and this is fully concrete.
Wow, okay.
So even here at the first floor, you can see naman na meron tayong common toilet. We have the elevated, or we called it the floating sink.
Powder area, powder
Yes,
room.
sir. And then this is optional for
For
you.
the elevator.
Pwede siyang maging pocket garden.
Nabanggit niyo yung pocket garden, no? Nung unang parang punta ko dito, may sabi ko, para saan yun?
So wala pa sir. Actually for now, that's optional pa naman. But the advice of our architect and even the engineers are pocket garden lang talaga siya. If hindi mo siya palalagyan ng elevator.
Okay.
So at the same time,
turn over niya, ma'am, may space talagang ganyan.
yes. At the same time, sir, kung makikita mo, meron tayong glass for the exposure din natin at kumbaga less electricity rin. And so yung flow nung sunlight is nandito sa gitna.
O para sa mga plantita dyan, pwede nyo lagyan ng puno sa loob.
So even the interior, pwede naman natin ipagawa mismo.
Okay, that's wonderful.
If you have any idea regarding this parang pocket garden, pwede naman natin i-advise just any revision for the layout. This one, the countertop sa kitchen natin,
Yes, ma'am.
kung titignan nyo po, is complete na rin siya. So may mga
galing,
add-ons like this. Smart finish na siya.
Usually, ma'am, ang katanungan ng mga clients, no, kamusta ba yung drainage system? Yung kuryente nasa... Pwede bang explain mo sa amin yan?
The good thing about this project, sir, is underground na tayo, especially the electricity. At the same time, right now, sir, wala pa talaga. So most of our clients, especially like mga bumili na ng model units, is ang hinihingi namin na time frame sa kanila is 1.5 to 2 years to deliver the units.
1.5 to 2 years.
Para at least kahit papano, hindi na nila maririnig yung constructions on this phase 1. So kumbaga, pag na-turn over namin sa kanila, meron ng electricity at meron ng water supply.
Okay. Kailan, ma'am, yung ilan phase po ba ang M Residences?
Actually, it's 5.
Wow, 5
So,
pala.
right
Ngayon ko lang
now,
nalaman yan.
so right now, we're at the phase 1 and then meron na rin mga few clients na kumukuha sa phase 2 but mostly ang priority right now is phase 1 para at least kahit papano sabay-sabay ma-turn.
Ang phase 1 po ba 2027?
2028.
2028.
Para hindi na rin tayo. But if you can see the structural, kaya naman namin mag-deliver ng 6 to 8 months per unit. Pero syempre, gusto rin natin na ma-secure at the same time, magkaroon ng peace of mind si client na on that year, talagang kompleto na tayo.
Okay. Di ba si Kiara, ang default unit natin is 2 floors, tama?
Yes, sir.
So, halimbawa si Kiara, nakuha niya yung corner. Tapos, halimbawa, nag-decide siya na i-default lang niya, okay lang ba yon?
Yes, actually, sir, talagang merong free will si client just in case gusto niya lang hanggang second floor lang siya. Especially like mga clients natin na retiree, ayaw naman nila ng masyadong mataas. Dalawa lang silang mag-asawa, small families lang. Yun naman talaga sir, yung standard. But just in case si client gusto niyang mag-expand or getting a higher floor, kahit every year sir, pwede siyang mag-add-on. Like example, another third floor.
Talaga, pwede
Yes,
yun.
yeah.
So,
But
may
as long
additional
as-
lang na payment yun,
Yes,
for sure.
sir. Even sa construction, sir, we can offer that kind of package naman.
Ma'am, eto natutuwa nga ako. Very blessed po yung mga team po ng M Residences, no?
Yes, actually, sir, as of now,
Sa VCDC lalo.
hindi rin namin na-expect na every time yung client pumupunta rito, maganda yung feedback. Siyempre, lahat naman, sir, na nagsisimula as developer, talagang nangangapa kami kung ano talaga yung need
Yes.
ng client. At good thing about it, most of our clients, one day walk-in.
Okay.
So yun yung parang nakikita namin na maganda yung feedback from our clients.
Ma'am, ano yung mga common denominator ng mga clients usually? Bakit sila kumukuha sa M Residences?
I think ako sir, as an architect, nakita ko sa yung finishes. Kung i-compare ko siya with other house and lot na nahawakan ko, the finishes is more modern. At the same time, either mid-market or retirees, businessman, newly, kumbaga, parang nagsa-start ng family. Parang, if you can see, this is livable.
Oo, totoo.
Parang yung dream na kahit ako, iniisip ko, pag uwi ako sa bahay na at the same time malapit sa lahat ng location here in Metro Manila and Quezon City for this price, it's very affordable.
Magkano na ba, ma'am, yung nasa paligid ng area natin?
Right now, sir, Ayala Heights is roughly mga nasa 500 M.
Wow, house
Sir,
and lot.
yes, sir. So, nasa harap lang natin sila. And even the Tivoli, roughly, sir, meron din yan mga 30 million to 50 to 70. Mga ganun.
Accessible pa siya, no?
Yes, sir. We have the access of Marikina. At the same time, meron din tayo Commonwealth.
Okay.
At the same time, meron din tayo UP, UP Town Center. And even schools malalapit.
Ang dinaanan ko kanina, ma'am, yung sa parang may village yung nadaanan kanina. Ano yun? Yung dito sa may di ba after mo ng UP Town Center. Tapos kung nag-right side ako, may iba pa bang daan next time?
Sir, actually, itong Katipunan extension, hopefully, under negotiation siya. So, possible siya, sir, na ma-open. Kung nakikita mo yung bamboo,
Dito sa pagkanan mo?
I think, before magkanan ka, going to Marikina Bridge. So, may possible yun, sir.
Doon siya
Tinakpan lang
dadaan.
siya. Yes
Okay.
po. So, hopefully, pag complete na yung completion nitong project na to, we can negotiate under the other developer to have that access na rin. Kasi itong katabi natin is Acropolis.
Yes, sa Acropolis siya.
So, for sure,
Santa Lucia Acropolis yun.
Yes, so bibigyan din naman sila ng access for that area. So, mas malapit na tayo.
Okay. So, mga kaibigan na nag-investors dyan, it's either gagamitin nyo siya for flipping.
Yes, sir. Possible.
Yeah, for your own personal use.
But mostly our clients, kung makikita mo yung features ng amenities namin, pwede na siyang retirement home. And if you can see, dito sa area na to, this is bigger, malaki yung cut ng ng units namin at the same time, house and lot na siya for the price itself. Based on our competitors, this property sa range ng price namin is house and lot na siya. And we cater a bigger cut for a house and lot.
Okay.
So yun din yung mga advantages. At the same time, 400 units lang, sir, dito sa area na to. So medyo exclusive pa rin.
Narinig nyo yun, guys, exclusive. So, licensed real estate broker, Angelo Jeronimo, kontakin nyo para ma-tour namin kayo ni ma'am. Di ba?
Anytime, sir. Welcome.
Ni architect.
Welcome.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much, sir.
So, magha-house tour na tayo, no? Pag may mga other questions pa kayo, mag-schedule tayo ng tripping na and site viewing. And if ever, ready na kayo, magpa-reserve na tayo. So, customizable siya from second floor na default na 2 stories nga, pwede niyong gawin hanggang 4th floor.
And then even the bedroom, sir, like example, dito sa ground floor, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng 1 bedroom. Sa second floor, pwede natin ma-maximize into 3 bedrooms. And then sa 3rd floor, pwede natin into 2. And then yung roof deck sa taas.
Okay. So, syempre, alam niyo naman, pagka magkakaroon tayo ng mga ganong adjustment, meron tayong adjustment din sa pricing.
Yes, every
So,
time.
yun yung mas maganda na i-message nyo kami para mabigyan namin kayo ng sample computation.
And the good thing about our project, sir, is yung company namin is yung mismong contractor. So, kumbaga, you can, even the price of per square, mas affordable kami. At the same time, yun nga, wala ka ng middleman, kami na mismo yung sa materials, kami rin mismo sa construction. So, it will lessen your stress ng owner at the same time. Mas mapapabilis yung construction.
You heard
So
that
that's
right.
the additional option, the additional advantage.